we have challenges with our police officers, some of our police officers. Wengine wanapotelea pombe. Tulisema kwamba mental health issues must be dealt with. Lakini many of our police officers also work very hard for our country. Mimi nimetoka border huko Mandera, nimetoka huko Wajir, nimetoka ule Garissa. If it was not for our police officers making the sacrifice they make, this country will not be as safe as it is. Our police officers in this city, the amount of crime they avert, including maneno hatuwezi tangazia wa Kenya, including criminals who are targeting institutions and so forth. I want to thank our police officers for the sacrifice they make and the job they do. Now mnajua our police service is respected globally. Mnajua saizi tuko na team iko Haiti. We are the only country in the world imewahi tuma polisi Haiti na kuwezana na gangs ya Haiti mpaka wakapacify the city ya uko Haiti. And I'm telling you something, the experience they have received, we have received by the work that our police officers done. And I'm very happy juzi United Nations wamevote, wamesema sasa hiyo mission itapanuliwa na itahakikisha kwamba UN itasupport na kwamba watu wengine watatumwa so that it gives also space for some of our police officers who come home to come home